Welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create report in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a report into ClickUp, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the ClickUp application, you just simply have to go into this dashboard option and click to this plus button. Then after tapping into that plus button, don't forget to enable this edit mode in here, and after that just simply tap into this team reporting option. Just simply select that option and then click to create dashboard. Then after that you can customize all this page and make a suitable report from this place. You will get a lot of features and customizations into here, and you can also choose a lot of features filters into this page. And after carefully reading and customizing, you can easily create a report into ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.